Conventional sealants and adhesive manufacturers will claim that their products can work in the wet. This is what we call a wet surface. We use this plastic. This plastic is difficult to get a bond to remain as bond on the seal on the water. So this is what we call an instant bond on the water. Now, as you can see, we've got a bond on the water. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to spread that product on the water, like so. So easy to work with. Leaky throttle, leaky gutter, tight angle. Just spread the product on the water. Seals immediately. Now, as we say seals immediately, this is what we call immediate seal. Cut. And there's the solution. So as we say in OB1, job done.